Document number 2, the Code of Hammurabi, Social Class. Pre-reading task. As you read, pay attention to how social classes impact punishments and rules. Rule 199. If a free-born man put out the eye of a man's slave or break the bone of a man's slave, he shall pay 1/2 of its value. So that basically says if somebody puts out the eye of somebody else's slave or breaks the bones of somebody else's slave, if somebody hurts somebody else's slave, then that person shall pay 1/2 of the slave's value. Rule number 202. If anyone strike the body of a man higher in rank than he, so if anybody tries to hit somebody that's in a higher social class than he is, then he shall receive 60 blows with an ox whip in public. So what that means is if you try to hit somebody in a higher social class than you are, then you're going to receive 60 blows, so 60 hits with an ox whip in public. And they do this so that everybody sees. 203. If a freeborn man strike the body of another freeborn man or equal rank, he shall pay 1 gold mina. So what that really means is if you're in the same social class and you hit somebody, somebody hits you and you guys are the same social class, then basically you're just going to be paying a fine, a gold mina. But if you hit somebody's slave back in 202, you're going to be whipped in public. Now let's look at what the question is asking us. Using at least 2 pieces of evidence, explain what this excerpt of Hammurabi's Code reveals about social class in Babylonia. So how is social class important? What do these rules show about social class?